We are actually discussing about the string data member, that is another type of JavaScript. In JavaScript, string are nothing but a sequence of Unicode characters, and each Unicode character takes 16 bits, that is 2 bytes. Each character in a string can be accessed by an index. The first character always accessed through the 0 index. A string can be included within the double quotes or single quotes. In JavaScript, both are treated as same, but if you go for another programming language such as C# or Java, then single quote is for character and double quote is for string there. Now let us go for much more new technology in JavaScript, that is wrapper class in JavaScript. Each whatever the primitive type we see in the JavaScript do have their wrapper object for them, right? So we have string, number, boolean. For all those things we do have wrapper class for them, and as we do have wrapper class over them for these data type, so we do have multiple methods to act on the whatever the values stored in the variable of following data types. Now let us check for, suppose I am taking var a equal to India, right? So if I am going for India, this is string literal and a is of type string. If I am taking var b is equal to new, and then it will be string this, and let me to put here all are Indians, right? All are Indians. So in this case, this is a dummy text that we have taken, but for this a string object get created, and the reference of the new object that created with the help of new operator gets stored in B, right? So let us now just print this B here. What will be the output? If you run the code, you will see all our Indians is showing here. One more thing, we know the type of operator that actually tells the type of particular variable. So just see document.write, and I'm writing type of, and here I'm writing B, right? Type of B. Running the code, it is an object. You can see this is an object, but if I'm going for document.write, and if I'm writing type of and I'm writing a, then what will be the type of a? It will be of string type. Because we have created an object with the help of new operators, its type is object. Now let us go for some helper function that is present inside the JavaScript string wrapper class. So let me to delete each and everything, and fine, let me to print here with the double quotes. I am putting here India and dot length. So dot length is data member in this string wrapper class. If you run this, you will be getting the length of this. Now dot char at or character at 0 index, as we told the it's I. So as we told that indexing always starts from 0, so it is 0 here, and 0 indexing contains the character I here. Now char at 1, if I go for char at 1, then it will be n, because indi 0 1, 0 is the I index, and at 0 index we have I character, and 1 index we have n character. Now if I'm trying to get index of particular character, so just go here and just type down index of, and I'm just putting I'm putting here n or d, then it will be 2 0 1 2, right? Last index of, if I'm trying to get the last index of and it is the index of, and I'm trying to get I, because it is coming at 2 positions. See, we are getting I at the first position and then again here. So 0 1 2 3, so last index will be 3. Start which we can see whether we just can see whether it starts with particular character or not, whether any string object starts from particular character or not. So with starts with, and I'm just putting I, it is true, fine. But if I put here n, we are quite sure that this string doesn't start from n. Includes is another method that we do have for any string wrapper object. So we have includes function inside it, and inside this we are just searching for n. Yes, this is true. But if I am just trying to get for 8 or for u that is not present inside India, it will provide you false boolean value. Now in switch we can just search out whether int switch ends with, we just want to check out whether this a particular string India ends with a or not. If it is a, yes, it is true, but if any character, it is false for them. Now we have again a method that is split method that converts a string into an array. So I'm just going to split this India on nothing, means it will split I and dia in an array format. So we can see we have India in an array format we have created. Apart from that, we have helping method such as uppercase. So uppercase, and we are just writing out dot uppercase or two uppercase. So it's actually 2 and uppercase, right? C, it is in camel case, so C should be in capital. So when it's India, and same if we put I and dia, so if I am putting 2 lowercase, then all things gets converted into the lowercase, right? Sorry, it's a lower LOWER, lowercase. Fine. Now if we do have any space for India, and if we have trim method, then it will just removes every white spaces that we do have in our program. For multiple line string in JavaScript, we have this tilde sign, this I am not talking about the single character, but I am talking about tilde sign. Just we can go here and we can write India is great country, right? Let's run it. You are able to put the words or your sentences in different lines because you are using this tilde sign. That is a feature in JavaScript. Now there is a new concept of undefined. So second data type that we have gone through is string. Third data type is of undefined type. So any variable that doesn't contains any value. So we can see here is a variable that we haven't initialized this value, only declared this value. So if we try to write console dot sorry, not document dot write, it is document dot write, and we are trying to write this a value, then the output will be undefined because it hasn't initialized with any particular value. So a variable that is only declared but not initialized with particular value get initialized with undefined. Also, if you want to get the type of, right, sorry, it's a type of E, then we can see it is undefined only. So both null and undefined refers to false. So let us now go here. It's a very important concept. So if I'm just trying to write document.write, if I'm trying to write undefined equal to null, then we can see it is true. Why? Because both undefined and null itself means their false value. So false is equal to false. That's all.